امروز برتان يكم چون adding algebraic expression بسكيل يكم جار example أمان هيا جار كوانا كان لاعبين وإنجا أمانات lecture مكان بازنا أكينو حلقين كحلقين أكاتا دا x plus أو دانش plus أكي أكاتا هشت تسخش بوكو قرتن.
Hello guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to do times table free. First we got free times 1 is free. Free times 2, 6. Free times 9. Free times 3, 9. Free times 4, 12. Free times 5 is 15. Free times 6 is 18. Free times 7 is 21. Free times 8 is 24. Free times 9 is 27. Free times 10 is 30. Free times 11. Free times 11 is 33. Free times 12 is 36. Thank you for listening. Today I'm going to teach you how to do times table 4. Let's start. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 4, 8. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 4 is 20. 6 times 4 is 24. Sorry for that. 7 times 4 is 28. 8 times 4 is 32. 9 times 4 is 36. 10 times 4 is 40. 11 times 4 is 44. And 12 times 4 is 48. Thank you for listening.
Hello, my name is Ria. I want to read this book. I saw a movie about a caveman who got frozen in ice. And when it melted thousands of years later, he was still alive. I don't know if if that kind of thing could actually happen in real life. But if there are a frozen caveman walking around these days, the night janitor at my school might be one of them. If we do a figure a way out of this climate mess, it's probably gonna be someone from my generation who solves it. That's why I'm always nice to smart kids, because they are the ones who are gonna save our butts. Whatever the answer is, I guarantee you technology is gonna be the key. Grown ups are always saying that too much technology is bad for kids, but I say the more the better. The better. In fact, as soon as I can afford one of those high-tech toilets that learns all your habitat, I am gonna get the most expensive model. Some people worry that one day we'll lose control of our technology and robots will take over. Well, if that happens, I'm gonna make sure I am on their side. Bye. Hello, my name is Ria. I'm from 7th grade. I want to read this book. Then I asked Mom if she wouldn't mind spotting me 10 bucks because the net critics store just started carrying trampoline shoes, and I was pretty sure Georgie, little friend, would really like to have them. But I guess I picked the wrong time to ask Mom for a loan. But because it seems like she was in a bad mood. She said I didn't have a presentation for the value of money, and that if I wanted to pay for the net credit habit, it was gonna have to come out of my own pocket. I told Mom I didn't have any money of my own, and that way I kept hitting up and heard that. But she said there were plenty of things I could do earn some. She said it's supposed to snow tonight, and could go out and shovel our neighbor's driveway tomorrow. I really don't feel comfortable knocking on the doors and asking for neighbors for money. My school has 3 fundraisers a year, and I have to go from house to house begging people I hardly know to buy something for me. And half the time I don't really know what it is I'm selling. I wish the school would give us something useful to sell, like candy bars or cookies. The Girl Scouts are lucky because at least they get to sell the stuff people actually want. Bye. Hello, my name is Ria. I'm from 7th grade. I talk about LCM. We have an example. We have to find the LCM between 6 and 27. First, you have to find it. For 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 27. 27 divided by 3, 9. Divided by 3, 3. Divided by 3, 1. So the LCM, we have 3. 3 multiplied 3, 9. 9 multiplied 3, 27. 27 multiplied 2. The LCM equals to 54. Bye. Hello, my name is Brian. For 7th grade, I talk about parallel and perpendicular lines. We have an example: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and we have an unknown angle which is 150 degrees, and the E is obtuse angle. We have to say it is 115 degrees, and which angle? Obtuse. And we have an angle B. The angle B is obtuse too. We have to say it is 150 degrees. And which angle is obtuse? And we have the G. It's acute, and we don't know the measure. We have to 180 degrees minus 115 degrees, and we get the acute angle measure equal to 65. So G equal to 65 degrees. It is acute angle. Acute angle. Acute. Bye. Hello, my name is Will. I'm from 7th grade. I talk about proportions. 1/c equal to 6/6 out of 12. You will do cross multiple. 1 you will do butterfly way. 1 times 12 equals 12. 12 divided 6 equals 2. C equals to 2. T out of 5 equals to 28 out of 20. You will do butterfly way. 5 times 28, 140. Divided 20 equals to 7. So T equals to 7. Bye. Hello, my name is Pierre. I'm from 7th grade. I talk about operation with rational number. I will give you an example. Negative 4.5 divided by negative 8 out of 15. If you have divide, you write 4 out of 5. The divide will gonna be multiply, and the 8 out of 15 will change. So gonna be 15 out of 8, and you multiply 4 times 15, 60. 5 times 8, 40. If you're gonna write it in C plus 1, you have to find the GCF. The GCF of 60 and 40 is 20. And you will divide 60 out of 40 divided by 20 divided by 20 equals 3 out of 2. Bye. Se karadu شش چهار karadu 8 5 karadu 10 6 karadu 12 7 karadu 14 8 karadu 16 9 karadu 18 ده kara du bir yansa kara du 22 دوازده kara du 24 سیانزده kara du 24 چهارده kara du 28 28 پانزده kara du 30 بیرکت دیگه خوش.
Hello, today I'll be teaching you how to add algebraic expressions. So before we start, I'm going to tell you, you have to know the rule of like terms. So let's do a short example. For example, like 3x plus 3, and then we will close the bracket, and then we'll add plus, and then we'll add another bracket. So let's say 7x plus 5. Okay, I think that's enough. So to do this example, you have to remove all the brackets. So we will rewrite all the numbers here, but without the brackets. So 3x plus 3 plus 7x plus 5. So, as I told you before, you have to know the rule of like terms. So we have to find the like terms in this example. So we have 3x and 7x, so they're similar to each other because they both have x's. Okay, now 3 plus 7 equals to 10. 10x. Now we've done these two. We have 3 and 5. They're similar because 3 and 5 are simple numbers. They don't have anything in it, like they don't have a variable or a letter, and nothing, just simple. So we'll write plus because we have plus here and plus here. So 3 plus 5 equals to 8. So the answer to this example equals to 10x plus 8. Okay, let's do another example, but another one that's like longer. Let's write 7y. 7y2 plus 5y plus 18, and then we'll close a plus, and then another bracket, 6y2, and then 8y minus 4. Okay, now as I told you before, you have to remove the brackets. So 7y plus 5y plus 18 plus 6y2, 8y minus 4. So now we have to find the like terms. So 7y and 6y are like terms because they both have y and like the 2 here. Okay, so we have to add them together because this is a plus and this is a plus right here. So 7 plus 6 equals to 13, and then like we write 13, and then like we'll rewrite the y and like the part of 2. So we'll write plus because we have plus right here and like right here. Okay, now we have 5y and 8y. They're similar. Why? Because they both have y's. Okay, so we have to add them again because they both have add the sign of adding. So we the sign like plus. So 5 plus 8 equals to 13, and then we rewrite the y, and then plus because they have plus right here. And then we have 18 is left with 4. But this time it's different because we have a plus right here, and then we have a minus here too. So since it's like that, of course I think you have to know that plus minus plus equals to plus, plus minus equals to minus. So we have a minus here and then plus, so we have 18, just like that, and then 4. So since they're not the same, we have to minus. You have to take 18 minus 18 from 4. Okay, so 18 minus 4 equals to 14. We don't add anything because there's nothing, just a simple number. So the answer to this is 13y2 plus 13y plus 14. Bye.
Hello, today I'll be talking about some subjects for you. First of all, we've got powers, order of operation, metric system, and factorizing numbers. To start off, powers, we first got to understand what a power is. A power is how many times a number is multiplied by a number. First example, we've got 3 to the power of 3. So it equals to 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Then we've got 2 to the power of 5, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 4 or 5. And it equals to 32. Then we've got 25 base 5. It is what times 5 equals to 25. So it is 5 times 5. And it equals to 5 to the power of 2. Then we've got order of operations. We know what a power is. So 2 to the power of 5 is 32. And then we'll do this part, the bracket. We have some rules for this. We first do brackets or parentheses, exponents, subtraction and addition, multiplication and division from left to right. So we'll do the multiply afterwards because it's from left to right. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. So 32 minus 23 is 9. Afterwards, we've got 26 minus 7 times 3 plus 2. We'll first do the brackets because that's what it says. The first rule is brackets. So 7 times 3 is 21. And 7 times 3 equals to 21. So 26 minus 21 is 5. And 5 times 2 is 7.
Teacher. Alongside my routines, which I usually do, I also started doing like biking. This is basically a bike, but it's without moving and it's inside. I usually do it for around 5 minutes. It can show me how much the time is on this screen right now. Wait. So I usually do this after my daily routine, and as I said, I do it for like 10 minutes. It is pretty fun, and I actually like doing it, but it gets me very tired, and I sometimes have to drink a lot of water afterwards. Hello, teacher. Currently, my grandma is out of town, so I'll be watering her plants so that they don't die. She has a lot of plants, and I'm gonna be watering most of them. Some of these plants can last a while without being watered, so she told me which ones to water and which ones to not. Also some back here. And so one last one, this one. And that was all I had to water here. Hello teacher, today I'll be talking about my project for math called angles. I couldn't come back to school these few days because my mom's arm was broken and I had to help her. Hello teacher, today I'll show you one of my presentations about coding. It's for my computer class. The first slide is about what is coding. Coding gives instructions to computers. The rest of it is an example on what the codes can do. Wait. What codes are there? Like, what are the types of code? There are three types of codes written down right here: Java, HTML,
C++, and they are used in many programs. What codes do? Each instruction will do something, or each code will do something specific, such as performing mathematical operations. Codes such as system.out.print in brackets those hello world, and then you can end it with any mark you want. Then those again, bracket dot on top of a comma / shows us the words hello world on your screen. Codes. Each code has a syntax and a difference from one programming to language to another. A syntax. What is a syntax? A syntax is like, it's basically, a code has a code itself. The code's code is called a syntax. Some are high-level languages such as Java. Some are low-level languages such as Machine. And a presentation.
Two times 9, 18. 3 times 9, 27. 4 times 9, 36. 5 times 9, 45. 6 times 9, 54. 7 times 9, 63. 8 times 9, 72. 8 times 9, 72. 9 times 9, 81. 10 times 9, 90. 11 times 9, 99. 12 times 9, 108. Multiply 2, 20. 10 multiply 3, 30. 10 multiply 4, 40. 10 multiply 5, 50. 10 multiply 6, 60. 10 multiply 7, 70. 10 multiply 8, 80. 10 multiply 9, 90. 10 multiply 10, 100. 10 multiply 11, 110. 10 multiply 12, 120.